Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and review of the GKU D600 Pro Max 4K dash cam. So come on, let's begin.
Sa Forge Garage, pinabago ang gabi.
Alright, so again, this is the GKU D600 Pro Max 4K dash cam. So here in the box here, as we see, we have a 4K dash cam with a 1080p rear dash cam or rear camera. So it's using the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which is nice in low light situation. This is only on the front, so the rear is still the regular sensor, I believe. And yeah, so it has a built-in Wi-Fi 6. That Wi-Fi is actually when you're connecting it to your phone. If your phone has a Wi-Fi 6 connection, then it will be a fast transfer between the two. So for this one, it has a built-in GPS, so it also records your speed, also your coordinates while you're driving, and it has a 3 inches IPS LCD screen. So basically, that's all of the specs. Here in the side, basically we have the customer service, so you can scan this one out if you want to text them through WhatsApp, and this one if you want to email them. So yeah, so here in the back, it just shows you the model number, again, the Wi-Fi, the download speed. It doesn't really show, but it says micro SD, not included. So it supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage, right? So working temperature, this is important. So it works negative 20 degrees Celsius up to 70 degrees Celsius. So to Fahrenheit, that's hot, okay? So yeah, so it has a G sensor support. So loop recording, 1 minute is the default. I personally like it on 1 minute for the files because it is easier for the file transfer. It will be faster if you're just transferring a 1 minute video compared to a 3 minute or 5 minute video. So it supports 24-hour parking monitor, but you'll need to have a hardwire kit, which is available on purchase. I'll put the link in the description below. Same thing with the time lapse, it needs to be hardwire. And the power supply for this one, it's basically 5 volts up to 3 amps. All right, so let's open this up and see what we have. All right, so here we have a user manual. Okay, then this QR code, so 2 years warranty. So if you activate warranty within 7 days of receiving it, and you'll get 2 years warranty, which is nice. So if they have longer warranty, it means they are confident that their product will last. So yeah, so it has some getting started guide in here and other stuff. Again, this is a dash cam. It's easy. It should be easy. So yeah. So here with the memory card, this is the recommendation. So if you want to purchase it, I'll put the link in the description below. So yep. So they offer 128 gig and 64 gig GKU branded micro SD card. Yeah, so make sure that the speed, if you're getting a micro SD card, the speed has a V30/U3 on its name, just to make sure that it will record the 4K video. So yeah, so here it's nice how this is packed. It is labeled what's on the accessory box in here: a suction mount, a 3M sticky mount, car charger, and some adhesive tape. Here has the rear 1080p rear camera, has this, they call it crowbar, I call it pry tool, and they have some cable management sticker on it. So let me just check here. We have, I'm not really gonna show you how to install this. It depends what vehicle you're using, so it varies. So again, it's a dash cam, put it in front. So this is the car charger or the power cable, and we have some film. This is optional if you want to use this. So you stick this first in your windshield where you want to mount your camera, and then stick your camera in here. So that in case that you decided to remove it, It won't leave any residue, but again, with the 3M tape, it's easy to remove. So this is the sticky mount on it. So, and the suction mount. So I think for this one, I'm just gonna use the suction mount for this so that I can show you the quality of the video. So on this one, we have the pry tool and the cable management thing. Yeah, so this is the rear camera. And now let's check the dash cam itself. It is nice. I like the build quality on this one. Yeah, so it is nice. It has some vents in here. Probably it has some speakers for some audio tone on it, like the welcome note or whenever you're pressing it, like beeping. So yeah, so this one looks nice. I like the quality. It is heavy though. Compared to other dash cam, this is heavy. And I think that weight translates to quality. So when you're installing it, make sure that you don't forget to remove the film, because if you don't remove the film, you'll think that it is broken because it is dark or it is like smoked on your video. So yeah, so just don't forget to remove that protection of lens protection. So all right, so I will install this. Again, I'm not gonna show you how to install a dash cam. Very easy. Just stick it basically wherever you want on your windshield, okay? Then route the cable into the roof, down to the A-pillar, then to your power source basically. All right, so yeah, so for this one, let's install this and I'll show you the video samples, real world video samples on this one. All right, be right back.
Pull up. Yeah. 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 Pull up. Pull up. Yeah. Whole crew looking like a meetup. Forge the rides on a banner when we ease up. Hungry, lifted, ready for the freedom. Yeah. Grill swap, new bumper with the winch tuck. High kit, new ties, got the frame buff. SUV sitting pretty, call it cleaned up. Roof rack full of dreams and some bean cups. Yeah, map on the dash where we ride next. Dirt road, river bend, chasing side quests. Snap pics, muddy fenders, that's a fine mess. Still shining chrome lip with the top flex. Tailgate, drop chairs out, let the day slide. Cooler sound like music when the top flies. Burgers on the grate, that slow sizzle. Steam rise, cheese drip, let the sauce drizzle. We at Forge Garage, got the rigs on lot. Lift the dreams in the lot, let the story talk. From the wrench to the trail to the parking spot. Good food, good friends, and we doing a lot. Yeah, Forge Garage every Friday night. Headlights line like a runway light. Trucks, SUVs, and the vibe just right. Good food, good friends, yeah, that's our life. Taco shell, crack steak in the tortilla. Hot sauce hit that flame, gon' free up. Fries in the tray, dip twice, then eat up. Laugh so hard that the drink near sneeze up. Homie got the overland bill with the tent top. Slide out, kitchen where the pots go, clink clop. Coffee in the morning by the ridge line. Eggs in the pan, smell rich like a gold mine. Hey, night crawl, low beams on the stone path. Walkie on the clip, whole squad in a slow pack. Camp chairs glow round the fire when we lean back. Talk big plans for the next trail, we need that. We at Forge Garage, got the rigs on lot. Lift the dreams in the lot, let the story talk. From the wrench to the trail to the parking spot. Good food, good friends, and we doing a lot. Yeah, Forge Garage every Friday night. Headlights line like a runway light. Trucks, SUVs, and the vibe just right. Good food, good friends, yeah, that's our life. From the soccer set clack to the campfire glow. From the first test drive to the back row slow. If you riding with the fam, then you already know. Forge Garage on the plate everywhere we go. Hey! We at Forge Garage, got the rigs on lot. Lift the dreams in the lot, let the story talk. From the wrench to the trail to the parking spot. Good food, good friends, and we doing a lot. Yeah, Forge Garage every Friday night. Headlights line like a runway light. Trucks, SUVs, and the vibe just right. Good food, good friends, yeah, that's our life. Woo! Gabi na naman, bukas ang garahe. Mga tropa, sabit sa upuan, kape sa tasa. Mga ilaw ng truck, parang bituin. Pag-usapan ng biyahe na wala pang guhit. Tools naka-line up, kamay puro grasa. Bumper roof rack, tapos sliders pa. Open wrench, umiikot sabay tawanan. Pre, paangat pa konti yan, sakto na yan. Mula garahe hanggang bundok, tara na, sama ka sa convoy. Dahan-dahan, bahala na kahit saan huminto. Parang bahay na rin to. May barkada, may kape, may forged aray sa puso. Sunday umaga, loading na ang gamit. Upuan, lutuan, wag kalimot sa spirit. Unang lubak pa lang, lahat gising. Pero ang tanawin, parang panaginip sa akin. Pagdating sa lugar, sabay bukas ng pinto. Amoy damo, amoy usok, lamig ng ihip ng hangin dito. Taas hood, taas kwento, walang oras, walang relo. Mula garay hanggang bundok,